Hi, this is Linda, and welcome to 60 Seconds of STEM. Today, we're going to be talking about the C2 3D printer from Robo 3D. The C2 is a compact 3D printer with Wi-Fi connectivity and fast print speeds. It's also enclosed on 3 sides to keep curious hands out while the printer is running. 3D printers work by melting plastic filament and putting down layers which build up one layer at a time into the object you have designed. The C2 from Robo 3D is a cost-effective way to bring 3D printing to your classroom or makerspace. Thanks for watching.